All right, back again. So what we have here, we're going to experiment with two temperature sensors. This one, you can see, okay, it can be used for both. It's analog and it's digital. Okay, and it's a DS18B20. All right, it's very accurate. Okay, so our program, it tells me that we are 24 at the moment in this environment, 22, 24. All right, and yeah, here we have the codes. Yeah, there's a code. It's you need to upload your library. It needs the OneWire library and the DallasTemperature, which are within the Arduino IDS. Not a problem to upload that. And then I've set it up here to make it look like centigrade. Okay. Right. And obviously this one has only got the temperature. The DH11 has temperature and humidity. So now we're going to try the DH11, okay? Right, so let's try the DH11. Before I do that, I'm going to take off this one. The same, we use analog, which is a pin. Pin 80. Let me see if I got it right. Yeah, I got it right. Pin 80. Okay, so pin 80, and we need, don't mix this one, otherwise you're going to burn your DHT11. It'll burn very easily. I burned quite a few in my history of experimenting. So there we are. You have a different type. You have the one that sits on there. Okay, let's program it. God, I hate this wire. Stay down, man. Jeez. There you are. Right. DH11, and now we run it. Okay, let us see. While this one runs, it will show the same with centigrade, but it will show the humidity as well. Okay, sorry, I didn't put the humidity on this one, I think. Let me see. No, I didn't put the humidity on. So, can't remember if I put the humidity on or not. Let's see. Sorry, take a bit of time. Okay, let's see if show the humidity now. Okay, there's humidity 55, but obviously I need to take off the, well, you can have it scrolling with the humidity. Let me try just now again. Yeah. No, made it wrong again. Okay, because the humidity shouldn't have centigrade. It's a percentage of RM, I think. So there you are. That's better. Okay, and here's the code. Let me see the code. This is the other one, and this is the H code. Yeah, there is a code with the humidity and the correct. Okay, guys, I think this is, it's so you got a choice between this one, which is actually very good, it's more accurate, but this one is also very good. And then you can buy this is the 11, but you also you have the 22, which is even better. Any case, thank you very much and have a fantastic day. Bye, and give me a thumbs up if you like it.